Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Now, welcome family and friends to WIMMS Kitchen. Now, as you can see from the title, today we are doing chicken pasta salad. Now, guys, you know you're in the right place because you know it's gonna go down Jamaican style. So, guys, I have a large chicken breast that I'm cutting in cubes, and then I'm simply going to wash this and season it with an assortment of powdered seasoning. To that, I will add a teaspoon of green blended seasoning and allow it to marinate for just a few minutes. While that is marinating, I will move straight to the vegetables. For this meal, guys, I am using a large carrot, half of an onion, half-inch ginger, 3 pegs of garlic, and people about a cup of snow peas and a quarter of a green bell pepper. So guys, I have chopped the carrots evenly, and now I am doing the onions. I've diced the onions, and then people may I go chop up the ginger finely, because guys, I want all the flavors from the ginger in my salad. Now guys, I'm reminding you from now, when this video has ended, I want you to share it with your friends. Tell them to jump on over upon Wim's Kitchen and subscribe. Like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes, and follow me on Instagram at Wim's Kitchen. The food for thought comes to us from Revelations 3 verse 20. Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person and they with me. So I'm going to jump straight into the cooking. The additional ingredients I will be using are half a cup of cheese, half a cup of creamer, a small cucumber, a large tomato, and some mixed vegetable. So in a pot with a teaspoon of olive oil, I've added the chicken breast. For flavorful chicken, I will stir and fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes. In another pot, I am adding half a pound of pasta. It's called Garden Routine pasta. It's an Italian pasta, so I'm guessing it must be wonderful. Add salt to taste and cover to cook until it's half done. So moving back to the chicken pot, I've added a teaspoon of blended season, my carrot people. I got add to that my finely chopped garlic and the ginger. I am giving that a good old Jamaican stir, people, so I can flavor my chicken breast. I am now adding the creamer, and I'm just gonna stir this and cover it to cook for about 3 minutes. Now people, the pasta looking good, so we can turn off that. I know your mouth is watering already. This is lovely. I've added the snow peas and bell pepper, and I will transfer this to a deep Dutch pot. And to that, I will add the pasta. We're simply just going to add all the other ingredients. So people may go adding in the mixed vegetable, stir up that in the pasta, and then we add a powdered season. May I use some steak sauce, some Creole season, some black pepper, guys, a teaspoon of butter. Then I add my tomato, my cucumber. People may not want overcook my cucumber, so I gotta lower the flame. I then added the cheese and some fresh onions, people. Stir this in. Turn off the flame. It's almost done. Add about half a teaspoon of lemon juice, some garlic salt, a little bit more black pepper, guys, and it's all done. Here it is. It's another of my favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, to my daughter's table. Now, guys, I haven't shared eating my meal with you in quite a while, so we just have to back this up for now. It's an avocado, guys. Try put as much as possible on my fork. It can't work. Putting some avocado. Well, tomato always get me. Avocado. Cucumber. Pasta. That burst of goodness with all the fruits. The creaminess of the sauce. That fresh lemon juice, them ginger, them onions, Them snow peas. Just the right amount of crunch. I'm telling you something. Oh wow, that ginger. Ooh. This coming like it's a Caribbean mix in my mouth. All the different flavors of the Caribbean combined in one bite. People, next time you're in your kitchen, make sure you try this dish. Delicious, flavorful, quick. Trust me, it's a hit. This ain't no miss.